Welcome to the GCAM tutorial series. The topic of this video is how to download and run GCAM 6.0 release package on Windows, including any additional software which may be required. This video is for GCAM 6.0, however, most of the concepts are transferable to other versions of GCAM. Note, the topic of how to set up R in RStudio to run the GCAM data system for modifying the GCAM inputs is part of a different video. Similarly, how to set up a C++ build environment to recompile the GCAM source code is also part of a separate video. Granted, most users would not need to do so. To download the release package, you can go to github.com/jgcri/gcamcore/releases. From here, find the GCAM 6 section. And from within the assets, you can download the Windows release package. In addition, the GCAM release package requires the Java Developer Kit, which is needed to store and query GCAM outputs in an XML database. We recommend that you download it from openjdk.java.net. You will want to download the 64-bit Windows version. Finally, you may need to download the Visual C++ redistributable, which can be downloaded from Microsoft. When you're downloading this, you will want to download the latest series, and you will want to download the x64-bit version. Next, we can unzip Java and the GCAM release package wherever we choose. To install Java, we could either move it into program files or use it where it exists. In this tutorial, we are going to use it where it exists. This has the added benefit of reducing the ambiguity if you have multiple Javas installed on your system. To do that, we will first start by trying to run GCAM. To run GCAM, we go into the exe directory, and then we will click run gcam.bat. We will get this error when it can't find Java. To fix this problem, we will go back and copy the path to the Java home. Go back to the run gcam.bat and right-click on there and edit. At the top of this file, we can notice this commented out section where we can specify our Java home, and we will replace this path with the path of where we have Java on our computer. Save, close, and run it again. We can see GCAM is now parsing its inputs and running. This could take 30 minutes or more, depending on how many CPUs and memory your system has. For GCAM, we recommend at least 16 gigabytes of memory. Finally, to view the results from the output XML database, we can use the model interface tool, which is located up and in the model interface directory. However, this again will require Java. Once again, we will edit this bat file. We will need to uncomment out this line and update this path, same as before. In addition, we will need to uncomment this line as well. Save, close, now to open the database, we can go to File, Open, DB Open, and we can find the outputs in the output directory. We select the database _basex.db and click Open. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorial videos on how to do more. And as always, we prefer questions on github.com/jgcri/gcam-core/discussions.